My name is Oybek Turayev. I study at AUC and also I'm a youth council member, and at the same time I am a project leader of the Cybersecurity Championship.
My name is Alexandra and I study in Kızılkaya High School number 2.
My name is Ganif Azizbek. I study at Webster University majoring in Management Information Systems. I came here from Tashkent, Uzbekistan.
My name is Roshan. I'm from Kazakhstan. Currently I'm studying at AUCA Business Administration Department.
The common issue among the youth currently with cybersecurity is they are vulnerable in social media sometimes, and then they will come across some problems like losing identity, account theft. So that's a common problems among the youth. That's why we want to raise their awareness in this field from these days. What we think to solve this issue is the first thing we need to educate the youth and also to raise their awareness about like attacks from the bad people, and then that's why the goal of our workshops from experts to give their information how to avoid them in their future, and to be private, to keep their personal data in a good level, use some tools available in the market.
Many people are at risk by hackers because they have a little or no knowledge about protection of their accounts. So they face some bad situation like stealing money, personal data, and others. So I think we should organize clubs or extra lessons on cybersecurity at schools, colleges and university.
In the recent decades, because of popularity of social medias, the cyber attacks are frequent, and in my point of view we should aware the youth in order to protect their data and keep their data safe.
Since Central Asian countries are being digitally developed, the cybersecurity issues are arising among youth. Therefore, participants throughout Central Asia are gathered here, and we are working on group projects to implement workshops to lower the cybersecurity attacks and increase the awareness among youth.